Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add your Cash App card to your Apple Wallet. So it's really easy and simple. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step so you can follow along here. So first things first, what I need you to do is I need you to open up a Cash App on your device. Just make sure you're logged in and that your Cash card is actually activated. If you don't have a Cash card yet, guys, you'll need to order and activate one before proceeding. And basically, guys, once you're logged in, I want you to do this. I want you to tap on, you just tap on the card icon at the bottom of the screen, and then tap on Add to Apple Pay. And next, guys, what I need you to do is I need you to follow the prompts on your screen. Okay. So Cash App will open the Apple Wallet app automatically, where basically you'll need to verify your card details. So if everything checks out, what you can do is just tap Add. And guys, if the process it isn't complete or you don't see the option, you can always, manually add the cash card to Apple Wallet. Just open the Wallet app, okay? Tap the plus icon and select Add a debit or credit card, and then just enter your cash card details, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV. And finally, guys, what you're going to do is you want to confirm the setup with any verification steps, such as text or email confirmation. And once done, guys, your cash card will be available with your Apple Pay. And that's it, guys. You have successfully added your cash card to Apple Wallet. So, guys, if this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, smash that like button, and as always, guys, subscribe to Frequently Asked Questions so I can see you guys in the next video.